Welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to learn how can we create a product on the TeeSpring app. Let's get started. Once you open the TeeSpring, you will get this page. Here you just have to click on the create product option. Now just have to select any product that you want to create, as I am clicking on this bag. So now you just can see, you just add text if you want. You can just preview it if you want. Now you can see you can design it again. You can add an image if you want, and you can just adjust it according to you, and again preview. Now you can see it has been uploaded here. We can choose a product color, as I'm choosing this or this one. Preview. Now this is how you can just create a product for you here, and click on the continue. You can also set your pricing, enter your desired price for fans from US and Europe. So click on the continue. After that, again click on continue. Now you can see your product has been created here. You can also give a title to this, description, and if you want advanced features, click on this, and you can see this option. Visibility is public, or you can choose private, unlisted, and add to existing store. You can also add your product to existing store and just click on the launch listing. Now you can see your product has been ready. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.